What's the meaning of bureaucracy? Bureaucracy. Bureaucracy.
Bureaucracy. Bureaucracy. Bureaucracy refers to a system of administration and organization, typically characterized by strict procedures, regulations, and hierarchy. In practice, bureaucracy can result in efficient and standardized processes, but it can also lead to excessive paperwork, delays in decision-making, and a lack of flexibility. The overemphasis on rules and procedures can stifle innovation and creativity, creating a culture that values compliance over effectiveness. While bureaucracy can be necessary in certain contexts, such as government or large organizations, it's important to balance efficiency with the need for adaptability and responsiveness.